What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to bring you guys a do's and don'ts of festival season. More importantly, of Coachella, because that's the only festival I've ever been to. So yeah, I definitely wish I would have known what some of these do's and don'ts were before I went to Coachella, so I decided to bring you guys this video today. I think it's the only one I've seen of 2018 thus far, so hopefully mine's the first one out there. So if you want to see what the do's and don'ts are this year, keep on watching. All right guys, first do is dress in what you think is cute. If you think wearing a glitter bra and glitter panties is cool, then do it. If you think wearing just a t-shirt and some regular shorts is cool, then do it. Don't feel the need to dress like everybody else at Coachella, because number one thing is comfort. You definitely don't want to be in the hot desert for hours, uncomfortable and not feeling like yourself. So I definitely recommend that you dress in something that you think is cute and you think is comfortable. Don't just go along with whatever the pack is doing. Don't wear sandals. Do not wear sandals. I know you guys see those celebrities wearing sandals. They have VIP. Do you have VIP? That's the question. If you have VIP, you go ahead and wear your sandals, girl. But if you do not have VIP, do not wear sandals. Your feet are gonna get so jacked up if you decide to go into a crowd. Everyone's gonna be stepping on your feet. You're gonna get so dusty. Your toes are just gonna, forget about your pedicure. Forget about the pedicure you got before Coachella. It's gonna be non-existent. Just wear boots. Wear something sensible. Wear boots, it's the desert. Or sneakers, anything that protects your toes and won't get them all gross and dusty or stepped on. Do bring sunscreen. It's so important, guys. It gets so hot in the desert. Palm Springs is tremendously hot. It can get up to like 110 degrees over there, if not hotter, honestly. But it's so necessary that you wear sunscreen. Come on, guys. We're living in 2018 here. We need sunscreen. It's hot. Global warming is a thing. H-O-T, hot. It gets very hot. Bring facial sunscreen, bring body sunscreen, bring sunscreen for your hair if that exists, bring it. Next don't is, don't think that your cell phone will work at Coachella, because it will not. It won't work at all. There's so many people gathered up in one space that there is no cell service for anyone basically. So I really do recommend, if you do want a Snapchat or Insta story, take the video and then save it and then post it once you get back home. Since there's no cell service, just make sure that you tell your friends or whoever you go with where your meeting place is. For example, if one of you guys gets lost, just make sure that you let each other know that you will meet up by the Ferris wheel or you'll meet up by Shake Shack, something like that. My next do is one that I really, really highly recommend, and that's using the Coachella app. On the app, you can find all of your favorite artists and see what times they're going to perform. And it also lets you schedule a lineup and set notifications. So once you are at the park, it'll give you a little 10 or 15 minute notification telling you 15 minutes until so-and-so starts. So you could rush over there and watch them. My next don't is, don't spend too much money on your outfit. There are so many websites out there that have such good, inexpensive clothing for festivals. It's insane. I bought all of my festival clothing from Pretty Little Thing, Misguided, and ASOS. So that came out really, really cheap for me. I think in total for all of my outfits, I probably spent under $200. Whereas if you go to Revolve, you will probably spend $200 for a top. My next do is do get there decently early. Don't think that just because the one artist that you want to see begins at 6 p.m., you could arrive at 5 p.m. Make sure you are there at least 3 hours before your artist performs. So do yourself a favor and just make sure you get there a little bit early. Don't get there too late, guys. You definitely want to find parking. All the garages get full very quickly, so be there on time. My next don't is, don't forget to bring your portable chargers, guys. If you are planning on taking cute pictures or Instagram stories, not Snapchat because no one uses Snapchat anymore, but that's aside the point. Taking all those cute photos and videos actually sucks the life out of your phone, so bring it. Trust me, bring it. And my last do is do stay hydrated. Guys, this should have been number one. This should have been number one. Everything else, just Stay hydrated, guys. For real, stay hydrated. I saw way too many people passing out last year. Just way too many people getting carried over the barricades, put onto stretchers. It's embarrassing. It's not cute. None of your friends will want to be your friend anymore. It's not cute. Stay hydrated. Just stay hydrated, kids. Bring a Camelback, I don't know what, but buy water, please. If you're planning on drinking or doing any type of extracurricular activities, just make sure you have water, okay? Oh, I actually have one more don't. One more. Don't feel embarrassed to take cute pictures. Hello, that's your money that you're spending to go there. If you feel like you want to take a cute picture and you want to force your boyfriend to get on his knees and take a cute picture on that Ferris wheel, do it. Don't feel bad. Don't feel embarrassed. Those pictures will last you a lifetime. Getting made fun of lasts about a second, so I'd rather prefer the picture. All right, guys, so that is it for my do's and don'ts of Coachella. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. Please do apply these do's and don'ts when you go to Coachella 2018. And don't forget to have fun, guys. That's what Coachella is all about. It's about having fun and enjoying yourself. So make sure you enjoy yourselves. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe and like this. Like this video, please.